Good morning children, welcome to NEET AIPMT Foundation Biology online classes. This is biological classification. We have completed the lesson successfully. So, in today's class we are going to discuss about the questions which are repeated from this chapter in the previous Olympiads and NEET and other medical entrance examinations. So, children, the 5 kingdoms which we have studied: kingdom-monera, which include unicellular, prokaryotic, most primitive organisms, isn't it? And the Protista, which include eukaryotic, unicellular and multicellular organisms are included. Okay? And Protista is divided into 2 phyla. The kingdom Protista is divided into 2 phyla. What are they? The Chlorophyta and the Protozoa. And next fungi. The kingdom fungi include multicellular, eukaryotic, non-chlorophyllous, heterotrophic organisms are included. The next kingdom plantae, which include multicellular, eukaryotic, chlorophyllous, autotrophic organisms are included. And kingdom Animalia, which include the multicellular, eukaryotic and the heterotrophic organisms are included. Okay. So, let us proceed, children. Are you ready? The questions which are repeated in the state level, national level, previous Olympiads exams. The first question: in 2 kingdom classification, prokaryotes are placed in Protozoa, Scyphozoa, Animalia, plantae. Okay. In 2 kingdom Linnaeus classification, plantae it is included in. The 2 kingdom classification was given by Linnaeus, John Ray, Copeland, Whittaker. It was the Carolus Linnaeus who introduced the 2 kingdom classification, which include plants and animals. The unicellular animals are placed in the kingdom Animalia, Protista, Monera, Metaphyta. In Protista, unicellular animals, that is protozoans, are included in the Protista. In 5 kingdom classification, unicellular green algae are included in the kingdom. Unicellular green algae are included in which of the following kingdoms? Metaphyta, Protista, Monera, Metazoa. It is the Protista. Okay, in the Protista Chlorophyta phylum, these green algae, unicellular green algae are included. Yeasts are the members of the kingdom Monera, Protista, Metaphyta, fungi. Yeast are unicellular fungi, they are included in the kingdom fungi. In 2 kingdom classification, Euglena was included among Animalia, plantae, both Protista. It is included in the Animalia because the Euglena, the protozoa, belongs to. 5 kingdom classification was proposed by Linnaeus, Whittaker, John Ray, Lamarck. It is R. H. Whittaker who introduced the 5 kingdom classification. Which of the following are considered as most primitive? Monerans, protists, fungi, algae. Monerans, most primitive. Example, bacteria are included. Next, in 5 kingdom classification, slime molds are included under. In 5 kingdom classification, slime molds are included under Monera, Protista, fungi, Metaphyta. In which kingdom, children? In Protista. Thallophyta includes fungi and bacteria, algae, fungi, bacteria and lichens, algae, fungi and lichens, algae and fungi. Thallophyta, algae, fungi and lichens. The scientist who created the group Protista for both unicellular plants and animals is Haeckel, Pasteur, Lister, Koch. Was Haeckel, okay, was a scientist who created a group for Protista for both unicellular plants and animals. In Whittaker's classification, non-nucleated unicellular organisms, that is prokaryotes, are included under plantae, Monera, Protista, Animalia. It is the Monera, Unicellular organisms, prokaryotes. Unicellular eukaryotes means Protista. Okay. Which kingdom includes most nutritionally diverse group of organisms and has no well defined boundaries? Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae. Which one? Monera. Which one of the following is not the basis of 5 kingdom classification? Cell type, body organization, reproduction, reserve food material. It is the reproduction. According to 5 kingdom classification, which group does blue green algae belong? Fungi, Monera, Protista, plantae. It is included in the which one? Monera. Cyanobacteria, blue green algae means. According to the 4 kingdom classification, the unicellular non-nucleated organisms are placed in Monera, Protista, Animalia, plantae. It is again Monera. The kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and Animalia are distinguished on the basis of type of cell, type of nutrition, type of reproduction, all of these. Which one? So, here based on type of nutrition they are classified. Which of the following kingdoms include bacteria? Protista, plantae, Monera, Animalia. Monera, most primitive bacteria means. Okay. Most primitive organisms are included in dash kingdom: Protista, Monera, plantae, Animalia. Monera. Which of the following organisms survive under extreme climatic conditions? Protists, plants, Monerans, Animalia. Once again, Monera. They have cell wall which protects them from adverse conditions. The bacteria with flagella all over the body, they are called peritrichous, amphitrichous, monotrichous, none of these. Amphitrichous. Next, which of the following statements regarding the nucleus of Monerans is correct? They possess membrane bounded nucleus, that is eukaryotic. They have double stranded DNA, that is called nucleoid, with both A and B, none of these. So, here they have double stranded DNA, that is nucleoid. The bacteria are considered to be plants because they cannot move, they have rigid cell wall, they are present everywhere, then cannot multiply by fission. Which one? They have rigid cell wall. Next, blue green algae are included in which of the following groups? Protista, fungi, prokaryotes, bryophyta. They are included in the prokaryota. Circulation of substance in Monerans occurs through arteries, veins, both diffusion. Which one? Occur by physical body surface by means of diffusion. What is diffusion, children? The process of movement of molecules or ions or particles which occur from the region of high concentration to low concentration without supply of energy and occur until equilibrium attains. This is called diffusion. Okay. Which of the following organelles are absent in Monerans? Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, and all of these. Yes, they are prokaryotes, so all of these cell organelles are absent. Trace out the Moneran from the following: Agaricus, amoeba, E. coli, yeast. Escherichia coli is the bacteria, belongs to Monera. Single cell eukaryotes are included in Monera, Protista, fungi, Monera, they are same. So, here Protista include the eukaryotic unicellular organisms. Which of the following organisms form cysts during adverse conditions? Which one? Amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena, all of these. So, most of the protozoans they form the cyst during unfavorable conditions. Okay, all of these. Pathogenic protist among the following: amoeba, Plasmodium, Paramecium, Euglena. So, Plasmodium causes malaria, it is a pathogenic protist. Which of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular named taxonomic category? Cuttlefish, mollusca, a class, means mollusca is a class according to this. Tiger, tigris, the species. Okay. Then housefly, musca, an order. Humans, primates, the family. Which one is correct? Here the musca domestica, and which one of the following is correctly matched? Okay. The correctly matched one among these four. Tiger, tigris is the species, so this is the correct one. Remaining all, this is the phylum mollusca. Okay, this is musca is the generic name. Okay, the primates, the human beings, okay, belongs to Humidae family. Taxonomic hierarchy refer to a list of botanists or zoologists who have worked on taxonomy of a species or group. Option B, a group of senior taxonomists who decide the nomenclature of plants and animals. Option C, stepwise arrangement of all categories for classification of plants and animals. Option D, classification of the species based on fossil record. So, here it is the stepwise arrangement. Taxonomic hierarchy means the stepwise arrangement of all categories for classification of plants and animals. Identify from the following the only taxonomic category that has a real existence. Phylum, species, genus, kingdom. Okay, it is the species which is the basic unit of classification which has the real category of existence. Okay. Which is the correct way of writing the scientific name of human? Homo sapien, Homo. So, here the pattern also you have to say Homo sapien, Homo sapien, Homo sapien, Homo sapien, which is the correct category. So, it is the correct category, even this is also correct, but remaining two, here this is the capital letter is given, so it is wrong. Okay, the space must be there between the genus and species. Okay. The 8 levels of classification from most broad to most specific. Okay. Most broad means very largest to smaller. So, just like a ascending descending order. Okay. Domain, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom, species. Option A. Then option B, domain, species, kingdom, genus, family, phylum, family, class, order. Option C, domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Then option D, order, kingdom, species, domain, phylum, family, class, genus. So, we have to select these 8 levels of classification from most broad to most specific. Most broad to most specific. So, here domain is the first one, then kingdom, then phylum, then class, then order, then family, genus, species. Okay, bigger to smaller. So, option C. Which why do the scientists classify living things? It helps the scientists to trap a species to study. It is easier to study the organisms when grouped. It is a good way to keep organisms calm. It is helpful dissecting an organism. Which one? It is easier to study the organisms when grouped. Okay, grouping and naming of organisms is called a classification. Okay, children, hope you followed. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day.